Hi children, good afternoon everybody. Our next practical is this children. Which one? LibreOffice Calc. You know that children, isn't it? Let us take a LibreOffice Calc. In that, what you can do? Different calculations. Last year we prepared a mark list, etc. Okay, here in your textbook that is saying we needs to use this for data consolidation and analysis. Okay, for that we can use different functions and facilities of this software. You understand that children? In picture 6.1, cell pointer, which one is the cell pointer? Cell pointer, cell address, etc. is saying there. Look here where we are clicking. Okay, and which cell is active? Do you understand children? That is the cell. Okay, and its cell address we can see in E4. Sorry, in name box. Now it is E4. You know that children, last year we studied A. What is this A? Column A, column B, column C, column D, isn't it? All of you know that. Then the next one is, this one is the row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, etc. That means these are the parts of spreadsheet software, isn't it? Okay, columns and rows are the parts of the spreadsheet, and cell is the smallest part of the spreadsheet. All this we studied last year. Okay, which are the other parts? We can select in group, isn't it? And this type of groups also we can select. How we can select, all that we studied, isn't it children? Then the cell address of that group also we calculated and prepared there in our notebook. That is why I think all of you know that. We prepared mark list, find the total, percentage, etc. also we studied. Average also we prepared. Now you understand that children. This is the cell address of C3. In the inbox we can see the cell address of C3. Then what it indicates? It is the part of column C and row 3, isn't it? Really one cell is an intersection of rows and columns. What is a cell? Cell means the intersection of a row and a column known as cell, isn't it? Intersection of a row and a column is known as a cell, isn't it? This is the smallest part of the spreadsheet also. Okay, this is sheet 1. Then if you need we can add sheet 2. If you need we can add sheet 3, like that, isn't it children? Each sheet have this type of rows and columns. You understand that children? Okay, each and every sheet have that means how many rows and columns we need to prepare here. That much we can prepare in one cell, one sheet itself. Then more than that if you need, that means different categories of data we can prepare in different sheets. Okay children, let us continue our practical. Then here in table 6.1 there it is saying some of the name of the column C, then name of the row 6, then cell address C6. Which one is C6 children? We know that C6, isn't it? C6, that means column C and row 6. Then here given name of the row is 12. Where is 12? This is 12. After that H12. Where is H? We want to find out this way. Okay, H, this one is H. H12, isn't it children? Then what is the name of the column here? Column is H. You want to complete that. Then table 6.1 children I am saying. All of you listen. Then M34. What is the cell address of M34 children? M34 where children? We want to find out M34. M34 where is it? Is it M34 children? Yes. Okay, you know that children. Then AJ. Look here, AJ. Why it is known as AJ? You know that here up to ABCD up to Z is given here. More than that also, look here children, after that AA is starting here. After that AB, AC, AD, like that. Then where is AJ? We want to find out. Okay, AJ, do you see? I, J, K, like that it is going on. AA, AB, AC, AD, AF, AG, AH, AI, AJ. Isn't it clear? Next, AJ 10. AJ 10 where? 10. AJ 10 we know. Isn't it? Here is the 10th row. 10th row. AJ 10 is this one. This cell is the AJ 10. Okay. Then K65. As you like, you can find out children. Okay. Not only for this way. You can identify K65 or 105 is this one children. Okay. K93. K67. K81. Okay, as you like, you find out children. Which one you need, that one you find out. Is it clear children? This is your first activity children. Activity 6.1. Okay. Hi children. I prepared the table for you here. Okay. Which table? Picture 6.5. Model of the table which you want to prepare. That I prepared for you children. You know that for preparing this way, isn't it? Okay. Next, listen here children. Serial number, then house number, etc. is here you can see. That we can format before that. Okay. Look here, one red mark. Before that you want to listen. What is this red mark? Look here, this house number you can't see properly. Isn't it children? This how you can see. You can increase the width here. Then you can see here. But we don't want more width also. We can reduce this way the width of the columns, you know. Now house number you can't see. Isn't it? For that purpose, what we need to do children, you understand that you want to select the complete row or otherwise select the headings. Okay. After that what we need to format cells. After that alignment. Look here children, wrap text automatically want to make a tick mark there, then click on OK. Then now you can see that is arranged in such a manner. Okay, that we can arrange once more. This is the center alignment, middle center alignment. Okay, then now some of that is not inside that we can adjust. Is it clear now children? Cucumber, that also be R is here in the second line. Okay, that here house number is in the second line, total land in acre in second line, like that you can adjust. Okay, house name we need a little more because the data is little more big, that is why we need that. This also you can make it small, otherwise this table become very big. It will not adjust here. Okay, I am making this small. For making these two lines this way, we made it as wrap text automatically. Okay, wrap text means what children? Automatically jump the text to the next line, don't go the next cell. This is the next cell, this is the same cell, it will not go to the next cell children. Okay, beans is literally others, like this way we can make it a small to view the complete view of the table in single window. Is it clear now? Now you can see all these things. It is the collection of data collection table of the vegetables children. Look here, spinach, cucumber, lady's finger, beans, others. Then total we want to find out. That is in total how it is prepared. Measurement of land used in acre is given here for vegetable preparation. Total land is given here. Then house number also given here, children. You understand that? Okay, house number, then land, house name, etc. is given here. If we need to add any more, we need to add a column. That is your first activity, children. We need to add a more column here. For that, what we want to do, children? We need to click on any of the column. That means in your house name. Okay. After that, what we need, select columns from the insert menu. That is said here, insert columns. Where is column? Do you see now? Insert field, insert columns from the insert menu. Do you know? Columns from the insert menu. That is said in your textbook, children. That I didn't see. Okay, look here. Is there columns? View. Format columns is here, children, but format columns is not correct. That is formatting only. We can insert columns through right click. Look here. Insert columns left, insert columns right, delete columns, clear content, etc. You can see here. Where we need one column, for inserting column, anywhere we need, there we can add the column. Okay, insert columns right or left. I inserted the columns left side. If you need to add the name of the persons, we can write here name, after that name, after that house name, isn't it? Okay, this way we can insert columns here or left or right side. I think all of you understand that, children. Okay, I am deleting this complete column. I want to delete columns. Okay, that is your first activity, children. Multiple ways to add rows and columns is given here. Then where we need to add a row, I need to add a row here. Okay, for that right click here on the line, in the name of the row. That means the fourth row. It is the name of the row. That means the row number. Row number, insert row above, insert row below, delete row, etc. What we need, children? We need to insert row above. Okay, one more row added there. Is it clear? Okay, if we don't want, we can delete that row. This third row is also free, therefore that also we can delete. Is it clear? Now the table is little more clear now. Is it clear, children? These are the ways of adding rows. Then adding serial number in the first cell. I added here for you, children. Once more I will show you. Okay, first I am deleting this. Okay, look here. What is happened? Then simply add the first number. Then you can see here one of the plus sign is coming. After that you want to drag there. Okay, look here, children. I will do it for you for the other cells. Look here, that is simply coming up to 109 here. 119th row is this exactly. The serial number is coming in 117. 2 rows less here. Why? Because we write the first heading in the first row, isn't it? 2 rows are used for the headings, and this is for serial number, and the first row is used for the main heading, questionnaire consolidation. Okay, this is a questionnaire consolidation, what is said in your textbook. Do you understand, children? I am going to delete this completely by selecting and press the delete key. That only needed for deleting that. Okay, then that way you can add a serial number, that is said there, children. Then we want to find out the total. That is the next activity for you, for finding the total. All of you know last year we did that. How we want to find out the total, children? For finding the total, we want to click in the sum tool, isn't it? We need the total of these 5 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells. 5 vegetables are there. That is why 5 vegetable boxes are there. Others also in 1. 4 numbers and 4 names here. Others also here. After that, press the enter key. Okay. Don't click any other place. That will made mistake. Okay. Now correct. Then once more you click. You will get the next sum also. Okay. After that, what we need, children? We need to drag and make the copy of that. Now automatically this come, you see that will not come because I gave there before that the formula for that. I will delete that, children. We want to find it. Okay. Look here, children. Now you can see the total is here. What is meant by total? Total means the total amount or kilograms of vegetables from each house. The total amount or kilogram or weight of the vegetables from each house, that is prepared here. Okay, from each house you can see here. Is it clear, children? That all you want to prepare. Those who have the facility to prepare this, all of you prepare this, children, with the help of your textbook and this video. Okay. All of you want to write the notes also, children, for the important points. Okay. Next, we can prepare the total of production per acre. What is that, children? Production per acre of each family. How we can find out this, children? Total production divided by measurement of land, isn't it? Get the production per acre by dividing the total production by measurement of land used. Which one is that? This is the measurement of land used. Okay. Then which is the total, children? This is the total. Then how we can find out it? Last year we studied for finding anything using formula. We want to give the equal to sign to indicate it is a formula, isn't it? Okay. First we needs to give the equal to sign, then equal to sign, then only the system will understand it is a formula. After that, total we want to click, that means K3. K3 is the cell where we have the total. Then slash for division, isn't it? That is in your textbook, children. K3 divided by what, children? K3 divided by measurement of land in acre is D3. Okay, press the enter key. Now you get the production per acre, kilogram of weight in each production, in acre. Okay, production per acre, that means how many kilograms of vegetables can prepare by each house in kilograms. Okay, how many kilograms of vegetables they are preparing from each acres. Okay, do you understand, children? Now let us once more. Do you want K3 divided by D3? K3 which one? The total divided by the measure of land used in acre. Okay, here which one is that, children? This one, isn't it? Sum is here, you can see. Therefore equal to 65, that is K4 divided by which one is that, children? Total land 0.25 only. Then press the enter key. You will get a 260. Okay. Now let us just copy that. First one also you can copy, no problem, children. I showed you the second one also for understanding you how you can find out the production per acre. Okay, production per acre is given here. Okay, now we want to find out who is the best vegetable seller. Who is the best vegetable seller? How we can find out, children? We need to find out who is producing more vegetables from acre, isn't it? For that we need to sort that, children. Production per acre we need to sort. Okay, how we will sort it, children? We want to sort it through production per acre, we want to click there. That is saying here select sort from the data menu. Select, before that select the entire table. We want to select the entire table. Okay, otherwise you can click here and data sort. What is happening? That is completely selected. Do you see now? Completely selected. After that, which column we want? We have a column L is here. In descending order I am given, because ascending order means 1 to 100 like that. Descending order means from biggest to lower, higher to lower. Okay, ascending order from lower to higher. Therefore, we can take a descending order to find out who produced more vegetables. Okay, do you find out, children? Who is that? Yes, Shahinaban. Shani Bhavan. That is the house name. Shani Bhavan prepared the more vegetables. Isn't it, children? Okay. Do you understand? Okay. This we sorted here. Look here. 297.5, then 260, then 220, 217, 205 like that. In descending order it is arranged, children. Okay, the first time this is in the second row I think. Okay, data questionnaire consolidation also in ascending order here you can see. Questionnaire also here came. Do you understand? That we don't want here, children, because we want to cut it and paste it. I am going to make a undo. Questionnaire consolidation is there. Once more we can do copy. Okay, production per acre. If we select this way, that will arrange properly, children. Look at it. This way if I selected data sort, not in serial number, we needs to look here. Now you can see production per acre properly. Then in descending order you can select, click on OK. Is it clear now, children? Okay, that is why I made it that way, children. You understand that properly how we want to sort. In any way you can sort, children. Now that is properly sorted. Sorted means arranged in alphabetical order or numerical order or descending or ascending way. Is it clear now? Now also 100 is the less one. Correctly, properly, and questionnaire is here. You can see that. Okay. Now, okay, children.